Natalie Roser is an Australian fashion model. Born in Newcastle on May 18, 1990, Roser started modeling from the age of 13. She spent time living and modeling in Los Angeles. She currently lives in Sydney. Roser placed 12th in Fox 8's short-lived television show The Face in 2014. She was finalist in the Miss Universe Australia as well as a contestant on the first season of The Face Australia, where she was the first eliminated, finishing in 12th place. She became the magazine cover girl for October 2016. She studied photography for 4 years before moving to Sydney, Australia and beginning her modeling career. In 2014, she appeared on the competition series The Face Australia. In 2017, she began a relationship with actor Harley Bonner. She previously dated personal trainer Dan Adair. Natalie has also worked in numerous fashion shows and weeks including Sydney Fashion Week and others for various fashion and lifestyle brands. She is the founder and owner of an apparel brand called Rose and Bear and also works as an editor at Series Mag, a digital magazine. Besides being a fashion model, Natalie is also a social media influencer who has accumulated millions of followers on different social media platforms including Instagram, Facebook and YouTube by sharing her fashion, lifestyle, daily life photos and diet plans. She is mostly active on Instagram and often shares her fashion content.